Learn everything you need about Shopify POS. You are likely to own a physical retail store and know how critical it is for you to have a reliable point of sale system. A point of sale can help you process sales and payments, track inventory, as well as manage customers. POS systems were expensive and complicated in the past. Shopify Point of Sale offers many options that are affordable and simple to use. Stay tuned to learn more about Shopify POS. How does Shopify Point of Sale work? Shopify Point of Sale is an iPad app that allows you to run your shop. It is very easy to set up and use. Shopify POS can be used to track inventory, create customers, and process sales. Your data is also stored in the cloud so that you can access your data anywhere. Click the below link to request a demo. Shopify Point of Sale works with all Shopify accounts. The POS can either be run from an iPad on your local Wi-Fi network, or you can use it on the go with your phone. Shopify POS is right for your business. Shopify's point of sale system is great for small businesses. It's affordable and simple to use. Shopify Point of Sale integrates seamlessly to your Shopify account. Shopify Points of Sale might not work for you if you run a large business or have complex needs. Shopify Point of Sale may be worth considering for those who are just starting or have a medium or small business. Shopify POS, in conclusion, is a great option if you are looking to create a point of sale system that is affordable and easy to use. Shopify POS works seamlessly with existing Shopify accounts, so it is an excellent choice. Shopify Point of Sale might be the right choice for you if a new POS system is what you are looking for. Click the link to have your questions answered by a professional.